Just another day in the shop. We did a 3-inch case. Actually, here we go. Let's talk a little bit more about the cases that we designed. This is a 3-inch. Let me pull it out right here. It's on a development board with a 3-inch screen, and can't give you all the secrets. But yeah, we'll be able to flash the BIOS with all the data we need to do what we'd be able to do. Also have a 5. We're in the process of working on, if you know, you know. So this is the front. Give you guys more updates. So we are currently in the process of printing out the other half of the case. This is what she would look like. Did some rendering, some new stuff, and we're working on some new things. As you can see, the base is over there. And using the pink filament as well. That being said, just wanted to show you guys the screen. Here's the 5-inch that's going to be going in there. Give you guys a little bit more depth of what's going on, GPIO pins and etc. Stuff like that. But yeah, that's where we're at right now with the 3D printing stuff. We're currently working on the case, so stay tuned. Yeah, grab a merch, hop on your drive, some stuff. Got a little setup right there. Have some fun. Need a handbrake, but yeah, here. Here's the 3-inch case. Need some work, but that's where we're at right now. So we got 11 hours left on this project. So with that being said, you guys will get to see the finished product when it's done. But until then, we gotta give the printer some time. Sadly, it won't be ready for today. So with that being said, a long day's work. But hey, let's get to it. I got a solder. So you guys could have extensions and stuff like that. And you guys can see that breadboards and pins. These are for going to be digital displays. These are 1.8, 1.28 inch screens, ICs, liquid crystal display. Yeah. Got GPIO pins. These are 40, I think, 40 pins. So Raspberry Pi 3 and 4B. Getting a little technical with you guys with the videos, but this is where we want to be at in 2023. So that being said, I have to solder GPIO pins on, and that's a process, so I'll be back.